Have you ever wondered why photography costs so much money? Photographers are far more than just picture takers. We are specialists who have spent years honing our craft. We bring abstract ideas to life, mastering lighting, angles, colors, to bring an image from good to great. Professional photographers are also great communicators. They communicate effectively with anyone and everyone to craft images that the client can't even articulate. And it doesn't stop there. Hours spent editing, right? Perfecting every detail, turning abstract ideas into stunning visuals. We're problem solvers who understand timelines, vision boards, who do all of that to bring ideas to life. Don't forget, sure, our equipment cost adds up, right? Like my camera costs $4,000, but you're not paying me to cover the cost of my equipment. You're paying me for my years of dedication to this craft, right? You're paying me for the years of classes that I've taken, right? For the years of work I put in to become a master at what I do. That's the cost. You're investing in expertise and dedication, where our only goal is to make you look great, right? It's to create memorable moments, to tell a story. Because don't forget, a picture tells 1,000 words. It's our expertise that truly sets us apart. So next time when you hire a photographer, remember what you're paying for. Also remember, the experience you get is truly unique. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more videos like this.